In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to set up lead qualification on Apollo.io so you can start optimizing your outreach and converting more leads. Stick with me till the end because I'll share some exclusive bonuses you can access for free, plus tips to make the most out of this powerful software. Let's dive right into it. Apollo.io is an all-in-one sales intelligence platform designed to help you find, engage, and qualify leads more efficiently. Lead qualification on Apollo.io is a key feature that helps you streamline your sales process by identifying the most promising leads based on your ideal customer profile. To start, you'll need to log into your Apollo.io account. If you don't have one yet, you can use the link in the description below to get an exclusive free trial, which gives you access to all of Apollo's features, including lead qualification tools. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Leads section in the top menu. This is where you'll start managing and qualifying leads. To set up lead qualification, first click on Filters to customize the type of leads you want to focus on. Apollo.io allows you to filter leads by a wide range of criteria, including job title, company size, industry, location, and even technographic data like the software your potential leads use. Now, let's set up some basic qualification criteria. Click on Advanced Filters and choose the parameters that best match your ideal customer profile. For example, if you're targeting decision makers in large tech companies, you can filter by job titles like CEO, CTO, or VP, and select companies with a specific revenue range or headcount. This helps narrow down the lead pool to the prospects that are most likely to convert. Next, once you've set up your filters, Apollo.io automatically ranks your leads based on how closely they match your ideal criteria. This is where the magic happens. Apollo's AI-powered scoring system will give each lead a score, helping you focus your efforts on the highest potential prospects. The higher the score, the more likely that lead is to convert. You can also use Apollo.io's lead scoring feature to manually set up a scoring system based on the specific traits of your leads. For example, you might decide that leads with a higher job title or those from certain industries should be prioritized. Adjust the weights for each filter based on what's most important to your sales process. Once you've set your filters and scoring system, Apollo.io will provide a list of qualified leads in your dashboard. From here, you can easily export them to your CRM or outreach tools. Apollo also integrates with popular CRMs like Salesforce, HubSpot, and Pipedrive, so syncing your leads is seamless. Another powerful feature is the ability to track lead activity. As leads interact with your emails or content, Apollo.io can update their qualification score in real time, giving you valuable insights into their level of interest. This dynamic lead scoring helps you stay on top of engaged leads and move them through your pipeline more effectively. By now, you should have a solid understanding of how to set up lead qualification on Apollo.io. The key to success is using Apollo's filters and lead scoring to focus on the leads that are most likely to convert, saving you time and energy. If you're new to this software, don't worry. Apollo's interface is user-friendly and designed for simplicity, so you can get started quickly. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that you can use Apollo.io for free with our exclusive offer. Just click the first link in the description to start your free trial today and get access to the full suite of Apollo.io features, including lead qualification. Trust me, this tool will transform your sales process. Thanks for watching, and remember, your exclusive free trial is waiting for you. Click the link below to get started.